you doing? This is our room tour of the Four Seasons Punta Mita, and come on in. So when you walk in, usually hotel rooms have do not disturb signs. So here, they actually have these cool dream catchers, which are really nice. I think they probably make them here. It's really nice. So when you walk in, we have closets here. You need to see in here. Safe closet, umbrellas, all the stuff you usually get out of Four Seasons. Let me just check in here. Yeah, closets. I don't want you to see too much.
There's a few unmentionables in there.
Yeah, some of my stuff I don't want you to see. Let's go in the bathroom. So the bathroom is really nice. Glass bathroom, shower, separate tub, which is nice. Really good products. Double vanities. Nice mirror with the lights going around it, which is always nice. And a separate water closet.
It's inside.
Oh, okay. Separate water closet, nothing sexy. And then these these robes are really nice. They're like super comfortable and they're light, so you know when it's 90 degrees out, wear something nice and light. All right, so let's move on to the mini bar area. Yeah, so coffee machine, hot water, ice, coffee. They give you tons of water because it's super hot here, which is nice. And mini fridge. All the nice stuff. Champagne, water, soda, all the good stuff. All right, so come this way. Now, I've never seen this before. So we're in Mexico. So tequila, mezcal. What's going on?
The light's a little moody.
Yeah, I guess so. So I've never seen this before. If you've seen this before, let me know. This is some high-end stuff. I don't know the name of this, but I know this is expensive because I saw this in Cancun and the guy said it was super expensive. So, you know, normal stuff here. If you want to make a mezcal mule or whatever, they have all the stuff. And if you like tagine, got a little baby one here, which is really cool.
I'm sure our daughter loves that stuff.
Yeah, it comes with a lime, all kinds of Patron and, well, not Patron, tequila. Is this tequila? Yeah. Tequila. And little extras to snack on. So this is really nice. And there's lots of drawers here. So all of this is drawers, all of this. These are all drawers because people stay here for long periods of time. And every room comes with these bags, these beach bags. These are really nice. So I was told that these are handmade bags here in Mexico. So these are nice. And they gave the girls their own little mini bags. So they're really happy about that. So Four Seasons bed, best sheets, towels, all that good stuff. Really comfortable. Really comfortable bed. The nightstands are nice. They come with a little Bose wireless speaker, so you can connect it to your Bluetooth and have your own music, which is nice.
Oh, do you want to talk about the kit?
Oh yeah, sure. So this kit is empty, by the way. Well, well, this kit comes.
We'll show you the kit in the other room.
Yeah, this kit comes with two masks. It comes with spray hand sanitizer and the gel hand sanitizer in every room, which is nice. And then it comes in this like nice leather case where you want to keep like your valuables. And if you want room service, you just hit this QR code and then you get all the stuff on room service. So everything is done by QR codes, which is really good. So you don't have to call. Well, you actually still need to call, but that's just the menu. So a lot of hotels, for some reason, don't have outlets on both sides. I guess they just feel like, I don't know, the man or the woman just needs outlets. You know, it just makes no sense. You know, like everyone
it's a
has
man thing. Ladies don't need outlets.
Ladies don't. They just crochet it on the other side. So both sides have outlets, USB ports. You can control everything from the room from here. So if you lay down, you hit these things and everything turns off. It comes with reading lights and then also has another light right here, which is really cool. Another separate light here. So let's go around and I'll show you on the other side also. So the other side has plugs also, but not as many. Wow. See, it's only...
Oh, there's actually a lot here. It's just, let me see.
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, that's
It's a good
definitely
amount.
more than you need. And also, because it's COVID.
And then obviously the reading light, which is really cool. And this table is pretty big. This is a good sized table for all of your...
And lots of storage in the drawers, too.
And what I like about this room is that it's nice, but it's subtle. Like the if you look down at the rug, it's blue, obviously for the water, and then back here, it's all blue here, which is really nice. And then we'll talk about the view in a second. And there's a pull-out couch here. This nice table with this. This looks like some handmade, like, I don't know. This is really nice. Like, this is reclaimed wood. I don't know anything about that, but this looks really nice. The chairs are really nice. They have some art here, which is nice. These lights are nice. I have the Edison bulbs up there. And let's take you outside to the view. So this thing opens up, but it's like pocket doors. So these doors open all the way up. And have a seating area here, which is really nice. More seating if you want to have breakfast out here. And this is the view. All of this. And all through the property, there's sculptures here, like really nice sculptures. I'm not sure who the artist is, but there's sculptures all over the place. Like that's like a lady laying down. Down there, looks like another lady. And over here, another lady with some hips on her. Over there. And we have the other room, so I'm going to take you to the. We have an adjoining room, so I'll take you to that side. Okay, so this is the adjoining room right here. This is the girls' rooms. So very similar. Front door, closets. So there's big closets. Pantry. I mean a hamper, not a pantry. Lots of hangers. I know people want to see that. Look, all these hangers. Soft hangers, hangers with the clips, an ironing board. Safe, slippers, flashlight, shoehorn, and shoe brush. Spray for bugs. From a bug spray. The bugs situation is pretty good here, but it's good to have. It's the bathroom here, same bathroom, same setup here, same mini fridge. These are the girls' beds. Again, these girls are sleeping on the best sheets in town, best mattress. Everything is so comfortable here. This is some of the artwork that they got from the kids club. And this is another one of the bags that they got when they arrived, and they gave them these really cool towels. And let me just pull out one of these t-shirts. It's really cool t-shirts. So cute. And they spelled out their names in letters, but we messed it up. And TV, same thing here. Some artwork from the kids club. We had a whole welcome thing, but we ate it all. They had chocolate milk and cookies. We ate them all, and we had margaritas and chips and stuff, so we ate them all. Sorry. Yeah, same thing here. So let me just show you guys so we know about the view. But I want to show you that this part right here actually doubles in size. So if you move this, so now we have all this extra space here that we can go back and forth. So we have double the space. And there's ceiling fans up here because it gets kind of hot. But this property is beautiful. This is if you get a chance to come here, please come. It's really beautiful. And let's walk over here. Let me close this up. All right, so if you want to see the full vlog of our stay here at the Four Seasons Punta Mita, just click here and you can see the whole vlog, okay? So we want to say thanks a lot and I hope to see you guys real soon.